In this video, we will discuss the autofill feature of Microsoft Excel and also how to create a custom list for autofilling. You can simply begin typing your first entry. Let's say first quarter, because I know that I would like to see the consecutive quarters automatically filled. I can simply select that cell, choose the fill handle, which is on the little square box on the bottom right of the cell. You can notice the cursor changes from, depending on where you are in the cell. It's the normal selector tool, which is the white plus. Over on the fill handle, it becomes a little skinny black plus. Select that with the left click on the mouse and drag. You can see the screen tips pop out showing us the different quarters that will be entered in those cells. You can also autofill things like first period, can autofill times and dates. You may also autofill with spaces in between those dates. You don't have to keep them consecutive. For instance, if I know that I'd like to autofill every 5 days, to enter the first date, then I must enter the second date 5 days later. Select both entries with your selector tool, and then use the autofill feature on the last entry. You can see the days are moving up in 5-day increments. The autofill feature is pretty intuitive, but there are some limitations. If there were a certain list that I'd like to autofill on a regular basis, say for instance a whole list of maybe about 10 colors, I can begin typing. I try autofilling. Of course, Excel has no way of knowing what those 10 colors are until I tell it, so it's only going to repeat the first two entries. In order to get this to work, you need to create a custom list. To do that, you simply choose your File menu, which takes you to the Backstage view. Options. Select the Advanced category and scroll almost near the bottom. There's a General section. You'll notice the Edit Customs List button. Here are some lists that are already there. It defaults to be on the New list. Simply click in the List Entries field and type your new list. And you could go on and on. Click Add. Your new list is now there in the Custom List section. Click OK. OK again to get out of the options. And now I can type the first entry of that list, hit enter, select that cell and use the fill handle. See, my custom list is now appearing. This has been a brief video discussing the autofill feature in Microsoft Excel.